It's a clean car, man. Alright, what's going on, YouTube? We're here today with this beautiful GT350R and Mr. Norman and his car. It's his car, so we're gonna get into that. He gonna tell us what's done to it. I think he said stop. So basically give y'all the rundown on what's going on with this car, since a lot of people may not know. So Mr. Norman, tell them what's going on.
It's just a bone stock 350 GTR. I've had it a year, March this year. She's black, got 305 on the back.
A lot of tire, ain't it?
A lot of tire, dual exhaust. I can change the exhaust sound on it to normal or the exhaust. Other than that, she's a 6-speed. She rides good and everything.
Yeah? You want to let them hear how the exhaust sounds?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can, yeah. That's normal?
That's normal. Sport mode.
Car sound good. Sound good. On the back, 315s on the back. That's a cool lot of tires, man. So how you like it?
I love it. But I still like my GT500.
You like it better?
I like my GT500. I like this one too.
Get on this side away from the sun.
Okay then.
And she will get she'll put you in the back seat. Believe me.
Put you in the back, huh?
Oh yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. Man, it's a clean car, man. I want one, but I want I think it's called Nardo Gray.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to have that Nardo Gray. How long you had it?
A year.
A year?
Just March. Yep. Had it a year.
That ain't bad at all. You say you like the GT500 a little bit better?
I like the GT500, but I like this one too. Cause I've been wanting an R.
Right.
So, and of course, you know they stopped making them.
Right.
So, it got me another collector's item actually.
Yeah, you do?
So that's the reason I went on ahead and got it.
You ever thought about doing boosts on it?
Later down the road, when I get the cash flow, I plan to put twin turbos on it.
Twin turbos?
Yep.
Yeah,
I'll be pushing over 1,000 in it then.
Yeah, well, you gonna have some fun then.
Oh yeah.
You ever take them to the track, or they just?
I just ride around, go
ride around.
car shows and all that. I work too hard, put too much money into them. I don't like really go down there and tear my stuff up.
Yeah,
that's me.
I feel you.
I work too hard every day, so I like to play around and enjoy my car shows and hang out with people and all that.
Right. So for people who don't know, what's the difference between the GT350R and just the regular 350?
That I can't really know. It's just I guess the 350 is just a base model. That's all it is.
Right.
If you get the package like this, it's a little bit more expensive than just the regular 350.
Right. You got the car receipt.
Yep. Yep.
I know the regular 350. I don't think they have the car.
I don't think they do either.
And they cover the back seat.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And this one does not come with a back
no
seat.
kids allowed in this car.
no kids allowed.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with that. Whole lot of tire. How it handle? I mean,
It handles good.
that ain't
It handles real good. I drove it to Florida, down there a couple times with my girlfriend before she moved up here and everything.
right.
And a couple other places. We went to Asheville, North Carolina here not Asheville, where was Greenville
Right.
the other weekend. Pick up some stuff and we took this. Rode good and everything.
That ain't bad. Them missing the tire, man. They some expensive tires. They look bald from like just brand new. They look bald.
Yeah, they bought. Yeah, I said, darn that. The man, and I had, matter of fact, when I got the car, it had 952 miles on it when I got it.
Right.
Yeah, like 22 something on it now.
Right. Yeah, you don't drive it much then.
Well, between working and the rain, it's hard to try to drive it.
I feel that.
Weather's nice, I start driving them now.
Yeah. You think about ever putting stripes on it, or what you plan on doing?
No
to it?
stripes. I see everybody on TV, on Facebook, about putting stripes. If the car come solid black like that, it's gonna stay.
Right.
I got another black 50 GT Koni. It's solid black, no stripes, and
Right.
I got a 13 Shelby GT500, deep impact blue,
Right.
no stripes.
Okay.
If it comes like that, that's the way it stays. I'm not big on stripes.
Can't go wrong with that. I see where the money at then. Got all the money. So, we're gonna have to meet up again
Yeah.
real soon to do that Coyote and that GT5.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That should be fun. Here's a clean car, man. Carbon fiber package. I think that's carbon fiber. Can't really tell. My girlfriend looking at me, her head long. But it's clean, man. You can't go wrong with that. The Brumbo is on the back. The big old rotors, I don't know what size rotors those are. That's some big rotors. Here's a clean car, GT350. Pilot Sport Cup 2s on it. As you can see, it's a Shelby on the front bumper right there. For all you Shelby front bumper getters, this is how your car supposed to look. Yeah, that's definitely a clean car. We finna get this ride along on the road. My trash box. Alright, so we finna go over this ride along. See how this thing ride. I never rode in one of these before. And first off, I can tell you, these seats, they're amazing. They hug you. I definitely love these seats. I think I'm
gonna cut through and come back around, okay?
Okay. I think I'm gonna invest in some of these seats for my car, cause these seats they nice. And the sound of these cars just so different. You can't go wrong with it. This car got the I think called magnerized suspension. Okay. I never really looked into that to see what it actually did. I know they said it was a lot better though. I miss my S550, man. I can't. It's just different. They ride so smooth. It just, you can't go wrong with it at all. Some of them, anyway.
Yeah.
You gonna lower it down any?
I don't know. I got the 50 is lowered.
Right.
I'm tell you what. Can't go over no speeding bumps or nothing. It's low.
Yeah, that's up.
I like it. Well, I had to lower it because of the kit I put on it.
Right.
It wouldn't look right.
It's definitely a smooth ride. That's real smooth. So the exhaust, how many modes does it have?
I mean, what now?
The exhaust, how many modes does it have? 3?
I got 4.
Okay.
Quads.
I know it got quiet, normal, track.
Yeah, I got track. Everything's right there.
Okay.
This is the button for the exhaust and all that.
Okay.
Track and all that. It's right there.
They put this car together good.
Oh yeah. I was shocked.
Yeah, imagine. I know a lot of people have, they was having problems with the motors dragging a lot of oil, but that was the earlier versions, like the 2015.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing they fixed it after the years when they did their revision or whatever. So, especially if you haven't had any problems in the miles you drove.
No, it's got, like I said, well, I got 2641 now. I said 22.
Right.
Because it's almost time for his first oil change.
Okay. You do the work to it yourself, or?
I take it right back to the Ford dealership.
Okay.
I let them, they get Bobby Jones, well, yeah, Bobby Jones Ford.
Right.
All mine go there.
So where you get it from? You got it from here, or?
Nope, I got this one in North Carolina.
Okay.
The Shelby I got in Forsyth, Georgia, down there towards Summit Racing.
Right.
The 5.0 I got at Carmax here in Augusta.
Okay, that's where I got mine from. Caught a pretty good deal on it.
I found this online.
I can't lie, I like it. Might go look at me one now. The rear seat delete looked pretty clean too.
Oh yeah. I looked in the back and said, huh? Because the other one's got seats in them.
Right.
And I didn't know about this one until I got it. Well, I got a Ford F-150, it's an 18.
Right.
And I got a trailer where I can haul my cars on it. So after he told me everything about it, once I got it approved and all that, I went up there and I couldn't get on the trailer because of that big lip on it. I said, no, we'll leave it here. And I said, I'll come back, drive and come back and get the truck.
Right.
So I did. I need one of them trailers that goes to the ground and lifts back up.
I ain't even know they made those.
Yeah, they got them.
That's probably expensive.
I don't know. They probably are.
Yeah, you're gonna spend some money on that one right there.
Yeah.
I can imagine.
I want to go to Mustang Week this year. I hope to go.
I plan on going myself.
Me too. But if you plan on going, let me know.
I got you. I plan on going. I was looking to start booking my room around the end of this month.
You gonna stay there the whole week?
No, I'll probably go for like 3 days.
Okay.
The
The first week, the first of the middle, or from the end of the week?
To the end of the week. That way, it'll also be like a little family trip.
Yeah.
For me and my girl.
Oh yeah.
You can definitely tell they want to go.
Oh yeah.
They wants to go at all times. Pull a lot of RPM too. How long you plan on going to Mustang?
I ain't planning to stay no whole week, cause man, things costing too much now.
Right.
Man, gas is getting to be outrageous right now.
Right.
And see, she can't drive none of these. And see, I like to take, if I had a double, like a pull or something, I like to take this one in the 500 down there.
Exactly.
But, I don't know. If anything, if I go, I'll probably take the 500 with me. But that's the one they're gonna want to see is that one.
Right.
That one ain't got but like 13 something. got 3,500 miles on it.
Yeah.
And GT had 5,000 when we got it.
Man, you got all your car pretty much new. Yeah, I think anybody who get a GT350, I think they'll like it.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely worth the money from just to ride along and looking at it. It's definitely worth it. The GT500, I'd like to have one of those. But yeah, that's a whole different ballpark of pricing.
Yeah. Well, they had 60,000 on sticker price.
Right.
But they was trying to get rid of it. They knocked it down to 50. But then I put money down on it.
Right.
Everything goes good. This year, next year, I should have it paid for. 5-0's already paid for.
Right. That ain't bad. Hopefully everything go good for you.
Yeah. Gotta go out of town week after next. Got an outage to go to.
Right.
Got an outage in May at the plant and Rapid Actions here. Augusta here. Paper mill.
I did one of those outages before. It paid some good money.
Oh yeah. That's what people say you like out. I said, yeah, cause that's where you make your money at.
Right. Alright, so that's it for this video. Did a ride along with Mr. Norman in his 350. That's definitely a nice car to have. If you're looking for one, that'd be the one to get. You can't go wrong with it. And I didn't really get a full throttle pull with it, which I respect because he don't race his cars. He got them, they collectible items for him, and he's an older guy, so you know he just like to have fun and look at his toys. So we out, I'm out. We'll be back probably next week doing another review of another one of his cars. So y'all stay tuned for that.